Do you love sweets? Because I love sweets. I have a big sweet tooth and it was the biggest challenge in my weight loss journey because हर रोज लंच के बाद, कभी कभी डिनर के बाद, and every now and then I want to eat sweets. So in today's video, I'll tell you how I overcame this addiction to sweets and this craving for sweets. There were days when me and Abhi used to contest over eating sweets. There were days when we went till midnight in Hyderabad searching which sweet shop is open and gobble upon sweets. And being from Odisha, I have had sweets in almost every eatery, every sweet shop and every food shop. My relationship with sweets is very special. No, मैंने पूरी तरह से मीठा खाना नहीं छोड़ दिया. So in today's video, I'll tell you why you are craving sweets or why our body craves sugar and how to overcome it. At the end of the video, I'll also give you few tips on how you can still have sweets and still lose weight. You already know that refined sugar is very harmful for the body. To digest refined sugar, it eats up 15 to 20 grams of proteins or nutrients from your body and gives you back nothing. Basically, it is empty calories and very harmful for your body. So, recent studies from WHO have found out that sugar is 8 times more addictive than cocaine. Yes, you will be surprised to know that when we have sugar, we think that we feel happy, we feel relaxed. Actually, our brain secretes dopamine. WHO also recommends that not all sugar sources are bad. Only refined sugar sources like plain white sugar, like the sugar found in packaged sources of food, like cookies, like chocolates, like cakes and pastries are extremely unhealthy and harmful. But our body needs around 25 grams of sugar per day, whereas just one cookie, just one biscuit, just one chocolate has around 40 to 50 grams of sugar. So remember to have sugar from natural sources of food than packaged sources of food. Before getting started, let me tell you that when we crave sugar or when we have lots of sugar, our body produces insulin. And to counterattack this insulin, we crave sugar again and we have more sugar and more insulin is produced. So in turn, a vicious cycle is formed in our body. That's why sugar is addictive. So now let's understand why I crave sugar and why you are craving sugar. First reason for craving sugar is not having a balanced meal. Sometimes we crave sugar when we do not have enough protein in our diet, and sometimes we crave sugar when we do not have enough carbohydrates in our diet, or we have lot of carbohydrates in our diet. For example, Abhi craves sugar when he has a large meal, lot of starch, lot of carbohydrates, lot of protein, and I crave sugar when I have like very less carbs and a lot, even after having lots of protein. So, eating a balanced meal is very much required to address this sugar craving. According to Ayurveda, every meal or every Indian thali satisfies all our taste buds like sweet, sour, salty, spicy. So, in traditional thalis, we can often serve a sweet along with our regular plate or thali. The second reason why our body is craving sugar is that we are missing essential fats from our diet. For example, we are eating only boiled bland food. We are not using the tadka, Indian tadka that we use on our food. So amino acid profiles are disturbed. So we are not having nuts. We are not having good fats like groundnuts, like almonds, like ghee. So just a simple tip to overcome this is include ghee in your diet. Include ghee in almost 2 to 3 meals of your day, and for sure include ghee in your lunch. I have seen this change in probably 4 to 5 days only, and you will see the change. To have a small piece of jaggery with teaspoon of ghee after every meal. It makes you satisfied, cleans your intestine, It also reduces the sugar craving, and it also promotes digestion and better assimilation of nutrients. In fact, eating ghee and jaggery after every meal also helps prevent constipation. Next reason why you are craving for sugar is vitamin B12 and vitamin D deficiency. I had acute vitamin D and vitamin B12 deficiency over the years. Even now I have vitamin D deficiency, and if you have been following me on Instagram, you already know how I work in this and how I am tackling this. So get your blood levels checked and address such issues. Reason where all of you, specifically women, would agree is hormonal reasons why we crave sugar. Mostly during periods or before periods, we crave a lot of sugar. I do too, and I save my hot chocolate recipe for this time of the month, and I gulp on them maybe once or twice during my periods too. So any sort of hormonal imbalance in your body, if you're suffering from thyroid, if you're suffering from PCOS, if you are simply undergoing PMS, then you are seeking sugar. So to address this, try including a banana the moment you wake up to it, so that in the morning your blood sugar levels are maintained, and also include black raisins 10 days before your periods and see the change. Last but not the least, we all crave sugar when we are stressed. I do it often. Bad mood, मीठा खा लो. झगड़ा हुआ है हस्बैंड के साथ, एक चॉकलेट दे दो यार, चॉकलेट खा लो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything is going wrong at work, bad meeting, I just head to the canteen, बड़ा सा डेयरी मिल्क खरीद लिया, बड़ा सा डार्क चॉकलेट. Yes, dark chocolate. We often believe that it is healthy, it doesn't have sugar, but it really does have sugar. And उसको खा लिया. So stress eating, stress disorder, and eating sugar out of stress is the most common reason out of all. So what is the solution to this is that there are other ways to distress, and I link up the video in the description box. And don't resort to stress eating, be it anything. So address the reasons for stress. In spite of telling all of these, मुझे पता है आप मीठा जरूर खाने वाले हैं, और आज वीकेंड है तो आप पक्का खाने वाले हैं. कभी आपने आइसक्रीम ऑर्डर कर दिया या फिर घर पे कुछ मीठा बना लिया. मीठा तो आप खाएंगे, मीठा तो मैं भी खाती हूँ, मीठा तो मीठा होता है. What is the ideal time so that it doesn't harm our body? First is eat sugar from natural sources, like fruits have natural sources of sugar, vegetables like carrots, beetroots are natural sources of sugar, dates which are amazing in taste are natural sources of sugar. So जब बहुत ज्यादा स्वीट क्रेविंग हो तो पहले इन मीठे चीजों को खा लीजिए, एंड देन थिंक कि और किसी चीज की जरूरत है या नहीं. बट आई नो ये सब बोलने के लिए भी आप बोलने वाले हैं यार क्या मनीषा, यू आर जस्ट बोरिंग अस. मीठा तो मीठा होता है, फ्रूट्स तो मीठा नहीं होता. ओके, सो सेकंड टिप इज यू कैन हैव स्वीट्स बट लिमिटेड कंजम्पशंस, not more than once a week. You can have that restraint. And while you are having sweets, it's very important, avoid cakes and pastries completely, chocolates completely. अगर किसी का बर्थडे है वो या फिर कोई ओकेजन है जहाँ पे केक कट हो रहा है तो छोटा सा पीस खा लीजिए if it satisfies your cravings, but avoid such things. Instead, you can have Indian mithais which are healthier, which have milk, which are made using ghee, but I agree that they are adulterated as well. So try making these Indian sweets like kaju katli, besan laddu, गुजिया. दिवाली पे तो ये सब बनता है, होली पे बनता है. So and have it at home and enjoy. So if you want more such recipes, you can check out my channel or let me know in the comments. Also, when you are making these recipes at home, one simple tip would be to replace white refined sugar with jaggery. इससे calories तो कम नहीं होते, but it does not harm your body. So even if you are having jaggery made sweets, have them in moderation, because if a person like me, if I started to eat sweets, उसका कोई full stop नहीं है. एक पैकेट स्वीट्स घर में रात को आता था और नेक्स्ट दिन शाम को खाली I could complete it all. But now I myself cannot eat that much of sweets, and I am happy with 1 or 2 pieces or maybe 3 or 4 pieces, to be honest. So once you start eating balanced diet, once you start addressing other reasons why you crave sugar, your sugar cravings will reduce. When is the best time to have these sweets? So first is mornings. फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द डे में आप शुगर या फिर मिठाइयाँ कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं. Why? Because our basic metabolic rate is higher in the morning and decreases towards the evening. So it becomes difficult for the body to digest, assimilate, and all of them get converted into fat. तो सुबह सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट में मिठाई खाना is the best thing. या फिर you can have it after your workout. And ये पूरा वीडियो देखने के बाद अगर आपको स्टिल मीठा खाने का मन कर रहा है तो go to that recipe where I had uploaded a 2-minute recipe for making healthy sweets at home. Try it and do let me know in the comments box.